Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA has obviously gone below support. ADA, yeah, it looks like we might actually get the 30-cent level that we originally wanted here, yeah. Because you might remember that back here in at the end of October when we turned around, we were still anticipating another dip to 30 cents. It is happening eventually. I know there were a lot of people who were actually disappointed because we didn't get the 30 cents. There were a few people who've been waiting or who waited for that 30-cent level to buy. And well, I think with 31 cents, we are just about there. Originally, I already mentioned here the 30-cent level back in May. And you can see how long that's dragging on. Because also here we didn't get the 30 cents. Why are the 30 cents so important? Because it's the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level. That is typically, you know, because we dropped below the previous Fib support, which I think was around 50 or 60 cents, you would normally get the next one, which is at 30 cents. And we're finally there. The latest dip is, well, to a degree, it is good because we finally get the chance to reach that 30-cent level. But what we don't know yet is how the price is going to react to it. The way this is looking to me at the moment is we are going to go through it, even if it's only briefly. And that has to do with the subwave structure here, because obviously I had to remove the possible 1-2 setup we had here on the chart, which because the price has gone below the previous 33-cent level from the end of October. So the only way I can really count this now at the moment is that we are looking at this in terms of a 1 down after that triangle that we made here sideways, yeah. That this was not the 5-wave move. Well, it was a 5-wave move, but this was not the move that ended the bear market, because it appears to be that this was only the first wave. This here was the second wave. We're now on the third. There will be a fourth and a fifth down. So it is quite a strong move down, quite a strong decline, right? So if we now measure a target for a third wave, then this is again getting to, I have to count this as a wave 1. This is the wave 2 setback. And then here we have another 1-2 setup. But this would be the overall wave 3 here, based on the wave count now. And the targets would come down quite a bit. Now, it is sort of looking very unrealistic. I know that, but also the $20 level or $15 level that we talked about on the with Solana, no, $10 it was for wave 3 on Solana. That seemed impossible, and now we're getting there. So I'm just giving you the targets at this stage. So the first target, which is normally less than you would expect, is the 1-to-1 ratio. It's a possible target for wave 3 though. That would be the 30.7 cent level. That is actually at the 88.7% Fib level. Should we really come down to the ideal target for a third wave, then we'd be talking about 23 cents or 22 cents. Then there should be a wave 4 up and a wave 5 down, anywhere below wave 3. Bear in mind, a few videos ago, we talked actually about this whole triangle here, and we took the length or the height of that triangle and we added it to the breakout point. And that took us actually down to around 15 cents. So honestly, this is not an unrealistic target. There is quite a bit of support at around generally the 20-cent level range, but overall, very, very important support is the 30-cent level. But I would be surprised if the 30-cent level would now mark the end of the bear market. I think we will come down lower. That's due to the price structure here of the subwaves, with a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, a wave 3 down, 4 up and a 5 down. Because also here in this wave 3, it looks like we've only done 1, 2, 3. There should be 4 and 5 down to finish off this third wave, and then the 4 up and the 5 down. So I think there is still more to come, as it seems. We've got a crazy situation now where, for example, some altcoins were really, really suffering. I mean, ADA, to be honest, did hold quite well for whatever reason. Yeah. The turtle. So it did hold quite well. It realized only today that something was going on. But yeah, it did hold really well. The problem is that Bitcoin has sold off so much. I don't know what ADA is doing. How does ADA want to go to, let's say, 15 cents or 20 cents. While Bitcoin, I mean, what is Bitcoin? How much more can Bitcoin really go? It's at 15.7K. I mean, surely Bitcoin could theoretically go down to 10K, even 3K. We mentioned that in previous videos. And it's getting more realistic now. But it's just crazy. I mean, I've always said I can see a 10K Bitcoin, but only in an extreme case. You could argue this currently is an extreme case, and under those circumstances, such price targets like 15 to 20 cents for ADA would be realistic. But we have to take it level by level, and I think 30 cents, what you need to know, is the next key support level. It doesn't look like that this third wave is over. At least we don't have a bottom signal yet. What we want to see, especially in the current environment, is a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down on a lower time frame to confirm at least some sort of a bottom. But it doesn't really look like this is going to be finished yet. If we make a new low now, well, we're actually doing a new low, but I would like to have a significant one, something that's substantial, something that is low enough to make people interested again, right? And then ADA has another chance to create another good foundation for future growth. Let's see. A lot of uncertainty in the market. Tomorrow, CPI data. Okay, and I hope you liked the update about ADA. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.